Marley, activist, author, and Read Across America ambassador. Are you ready to read, write, and get things done? Let's start with a book. Do you like to cook? In Measuring Up, written by Lilly LaMotte and illustrated by Ann Zhu, 12-year-old Cece lives in a small town in Taiwan and loves cooking with her grandmother. But then, Cece and her parents move from Taiwan to Seattle. Cece makes new friends but misses her grandmother very much. She enters a kids' cooking contest with the hopes of winning the prize money to buy a plane ticket so her grandmother can visit. But Cece has some tough competition in Miranda, who is a master of Italian cuisine. The two of them are teamed together during the early rounds and become friends, but then have to face each other in the finals. This graphic novel is a real treat to read and a feast for the eyes with lively and bright illustrations. This book made me hungry. I love to try new things, and this book gave me so many ideas for different foods I'd like to eat. Food is a great way to explore the world. By finding out more about what other people grow, cook, and eat, you can learn a lot about the world and how to relate to people. Food is reflective of people's traditions and their histories. It really tells a story. Talk to people who are making the food you eat. Do research and ask questions to help you embrace the culture of the food you're eating. Your reflections on the people you meet and the things you learn are something great to write in a diary or a journal. Or maybe Measuring Up will get you excited to try a new restaurant and write a review for your meal. Or it'll maybe inspire you to dream up your own recipes and write a cookbook. Or maybe you want to cook with a family member or friend and write down the recipes you make together. Writing a recipe down is a great way to remember and share food favorites. Writing for yourself doesn't have to be fancy or formal or hard, so give it a try. This book will really help you see that food has a way of bringing people together, but it also made me think about how not everyone has the food that they need. Hunger is hard to see, and it is a problem that we can solve, and there's a role that each of us play. Investigate how best you can help. It might be by holding a food drive for a local food bank, or you might want to learn more about what the government could do to address the root causes of hunger, and write or call your local representatives about making better policies. You could start a community garden, or you could do some cooking of your own, hold a bake sale, and donate the money to a food bank or other organizations fighting for food justice. Did this book spark new thoughts or make you wonder about something else? I bet you all have great ideas. So put them into action. I hope you will pick up this Read Across America recommended book and are inspired to read, write, and get things done. Bye-bye!